Okay, so this step is where actually the conda library is installed. Sorry, not the conda library, the pulp library is installed. And this little exclamation mark calls conda to the operating system. You have to wait a while with Azure because you have to wait for them to assign an actual computer to run on because it's a free tier. So typically what happens is this thing spins around and sometimes it can take up to a minute. And normally every time in a session you only have to do this once, so I typically do this once and then comment it out. So I'll send you the link up here. So this is one of the example notebooks that I have. So still not installing. And you can click further down, and this cell is just waiting for this conda thing to install. And this command here is, is actually operating on the in the operating system. So we have to wait. So what here, just clicking on the cells and clicking run, and this star thing means it's not actually run yet, and it's waiting for this cell to finish before it'll operate this one, and then we can run again. Yeah, while waiting, I had to this minus Y flag I had to do specifically for to get it to run under the Azure environment. There were some other things that needed. I think it. If you run this command in a kind of Windows environment or a Mac environment, I didn't need the minus Y. So it takes a while. So we're just waiting for this thing to install. Okay, finally we're done. So this is the command that looks like that it's installed okay. So it's installed, it's actually installed a new version of Conda. And then we should be able to click down. Okay, and because this command's gone down to 2, this means it's no longer a star. So the thing's it's imported pulp okay. If that node works, it's given an error. And now as we click down, we get the solutions. Okay. So the key step is this line here, and once it's being installed, you can kind of comment this line out. Within a session, you have to do it, so maybe once a day or something. So if we comment this out, then it's already been installed in the session. So if I go to kind of start and clear output, now if we click down, pulp is still there. At some stage it deletes it from the account, so you have to do it every so often. Okay.